cutest cats and babies moments ever. Number 5, not today, human.
Carl.
The cat really thought he was innocent. Number 4, best furry babysitter. That's a certified best friend for life. Number 3, baby antenna. The cat is like, is this how you connect to Wi-Fi? Number 2, partner in crime. She's carrying her cat like it's her most precious treasure. And before number 1, please like and subscribe. Leave a heart comment if you like this video. And now at number 1, cuddle attack incoming. This cat needs saving.